Hi, my name is Hazim Gaber, and today we're going to learn how to get rich by running a successful business. And the reason I decided to build this course is because there's so much junk on the internet. We're just bombarded with advertising about, hey, sell on Amazon, hey, sell on Etsy, hey, Forex, hey, Bitcoin, hey, make money with NFTs. There's a lot of junk. So I'm going to teach you how to run a real business and how to make money. And you don't need anything to start. Uh, there's no subscription here. There's no fee. There's no upsell. There's no side sell. There's no. I'm not selling you anything. I'm gonna put this out there. And you can learn. You can ask me questions, and I can tell you how to make money in any business and how to deal with regulations, how to hire people, how to fire people, how to open up a franchise. Because I work with a lot of businesses, and I can tell you any industry how to make money. Who am I? Well, I'm Hazim Gaber, and I'm a successful businessman, and I'm the owner and CEO of 4 companies. One of them is HSM, based here in Edmonton, Alberta. And together, we do millions of dollars a year in revenue in 4 areas: construction, IT, engineering, and digital media. I'm also a mechanical engineer, and I have numerous certifications. I'm Cisco certified. I got my PMP. I got my PgMP. I got my RCDD. They're just different project management and tech certifications. I'm also the author of over 10 books. So I make money off Amazon too, but I make money off of Kindle and YouTube and apps that I've built that continue to generate money for me. I'm going to teach you how to do the same. But you don't have to. You don't have to. Um, you don't have to build an app. You don't have to write a book. But I can take any idea that you have, and I can show you how to turn it into money. So, as over the years, I've gained a lot of experience in engineering, construction, computer programming, business, trades, finance, law, you name it. I can talk about it and I can do it because my attitude is never say no. Anytime I face a problem, I find a way to solve it. So I've built a massive toolbox of skills and resources and knowledge that I can now apply to my own businesses, and I'm going to share it here with you. So, what you're going to learn: a real world experience, how to start a business, how to buy a business, how to sell a business, how to make money on the internet, how to deal with regulations, licensing, taxes, insurance, law. Nobody ever tells you the real world. Nobody ever tells you how to actually deal with the paperwork that comes with running a business. I'm also going to teach you life skills and education. We're going to learn about different business models, franchises, the internet, affiliate programs, how they work, how to sell on Amazon. I don't recommend it. The market's saturated, but I'm going to tell you how it works, and you can decide for yourself. You're going to be the 0.1% that is actually making a decent living off of it. We'll also talk about crypto. Some people made money off crypto in the past, or NFTs. It's not so profitable now. It's kind of hit and miss. Same with the stock market. The stock market's pretty hard to get into. And we'll look at affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you can still make money in affiliate marketing. It's not something that I would do, but there's actually an algorithm that can show you how it works to generate revenue and grow your business. And of course, we can take advantage of the latest trends like AI, Internet of Things, the cloud. So, I'm not sure what the next topic of our video is, but maybe we'll look at some of the common advertising models that are out there. So if you have any questions, any business question or any life question, post a comment and I'll make a video about it. Thank you.